There are more than 2,500 steel bridges, most coated with lead-based paint throughout New York State, DOT's Region 8. A new technique, combining the chemical stripping power of peel-away ST1 and ice blasting technology, is revolutionizing the bridge restoration field and providing benefits that far outstrip those of existing lead removal methods. This video demonstration documents this unique blend of technologies in action. The two bridges shown here are coated with paint which has a lead content in excess of 400,000 parts per million. A containment system of ground cover and side screens is erected as per New York State Class B standards. A small amount of lead paint residue remains after scraping. Ice blasting, a unique precision cleaning process using ice crystals to do the work of dry abrasives, follows the use of peel-away ST1 for one-step rinsing and neutralizing, producing clean results with a minimum of residual waste. Blast pressure is set at about 125 psi. The ice blast equipment uses 24 gallons of water per hour, producing about 100 kilograms of ice particles for blasting. The ice particles scrub the still wet residue from the surface, then melt to rinse off the debris. The residue and lead primer is easily swept from the surface by the power of the ice blast, revealing the bare steel below. Rinsing and neutralizing are completed in one simple step, with a 1,000 square foot section stripped to bare steel in less than 4 hours. And because of mist evaporation, less than 10 gallons of water an hour reaches the containment floor, where it is easily vacuumed and combined with the solid waste, keeping waste volume to an absolute minimum. This tape documents the success of peel-away ice blast technology, a combination providing unparalleled results without compromising environmental or worker health. The results speak for themselves on this project. Complete lead paint removal is accomplished without the limitations and cost of stringent Class A containment. Surface profiling is not required. Man-hours are cut significantly. Peel away and ice blast, the cutting edge of bridge restoration technology. The revolution is here. Be a part of it.